In high-stakes negotiation, silence isn't empty space. It is a weapon. And with every passing second, the cost of using it gets higher.
This analysis is just an opinion.
With all due respect, it's not an opinion. It's mathematics based on the daily records you've been receiving.
Mathematics can say anything. But the contract says one thing: the contractor is liable for delay, unless caused by an instruction from us.
And that's what the analysis proves. Item 4.2, a 21-day delay in approving drawing 7B. That's not math, that's a documented fact.
What matters is our commitment to the original timeline.
Which is why the choice is clear. Acknowledge the time we are owed, and we will waive the costs as a gesture of goodwill.
This is blackmail. You're putting me in a corner.
We aren't putting you in a corner. We're simply showing you the reality of the corner you're already in.
What do you do when the other side refuses to look at the facts?
Scalation of commitment. The consultant's initial dismissal of the TIA is a classic example of escalation of commitment. Having implicitly rejected the claim earlier, he finds it psychologically difficult to reverse his position, even when presented with new, compelling evidence. He is committed to his initial stance, the data versus contract fallacy. The consultant tries to create a false dichotomy: your data versus my contract. The planner masterfully refutes this by showing that his data is the evidence required by the contract. He does not argue against the contract. He uses the contract's own logic against the consultant. The unified front strategy, the PM's intervention, is critical. By staying silent initially, he allowed his planner, the technical expert, to establish the facts. When he finally speaks, it is not to argue, but to confirm the official company position. This expert leader tandem presents a unified front that is incredibly difficult to break. Reframing the narrative. The consultant's accusation of blackmail is a desperate attempt to frame himself as a victim. The PM final line is a masterclass in reframing. He rejects the victim narrative and reframes the situation as a neutral presentation of facts, placing the responsibility for the corner squarely back on the consultant's own actions or inactions.